Okay, so the next chart we're going to look at is highlight table, that one. Okay, so let's go ahead and duplicate this chart. So duplicate sheet. Okay, it's because we're going to use the same data. So now, right, and click that. Click that, it strips out the totals and then automatically converts it into a heat map. So you have the background color, and there is the sales is, this is the legend. Smaller sales is very light and larger sales is bright or darker color. Okay. Now you can change this. So if you click this down arrow, edit color, and there are several ways in which you can edit the color. You can say steps of 5 or like that, or it could be automatic. Okay, or you can select from any one of these predefined colors. You can apply and check to see whether that's what you like. Or you can change the starting and the ending point, and we can even change the center. Suppose if you want the center of the color divergence to be different, then you can change that too. Okay, so we'll leave it like that for the moment. Okay, now there's one more thing that we're going to, a couple of things we're going to do. So let's change the numerical format to thousands. Okay, instead of the actual values, we want to convert them into thousands with a K at the end. We already did this in a previous example. So here is your sum of sales, and click edit. So here is your default number. Change that to, let's put a $ in front. So currency custom, and we'll change the units to thousands, and we'll get rid of any decimal places. Now suppose we want the small sales items to be combined together. We don't want these small little things to be shown as like rubber bands and stuff to be separate lines. Okay. Now the next thing I want to illustrate here is how do you combine, group values. Okay. In subcategories, we want to combine some of them. So first thing I want to do is to make it easy. So I want to sort the subcategories by sales, total sales. Okay. So let's go ahead and right click, select sort. So now you have the dialog box. Now here you select sum of sales, and okay. So now everything is now sorted by the total which we are not seeing. So now we have the small sales items right here. And suppose we want to combine these items, okay, paper through rubber bands. So there will be only 4 subcategories for office supplies. Click and then shift click at the last item. So now all the 6 small sales items are highlighted. Then you right click and say group. Apparently this one has a higher sum of sales than appliances, so that is sorted out correctly. Now if you want to change the alias, so you right click again, edit alias, Now give a name.
other